serrucho de agua.
Big cuts, long cuts.
Yes, well, pretty much everything. Because we're a small company, we don't have a CNC machine that cuts everything. So we do everything by hand. No tenemos máquina grande, cortamos todo a mano. Estamos pobres.
Okay.
Regla. Ready? Regla.
Regla.
Okay, good job. This is the rail for the saw. So the way this works is you set this to wherever you want. This is the guide that this little Thomas train runs on. Yeah?
Yeah, I know it. I get it.
Y le das aquí pulgada y media. ¿Te va a quedar bien? So if you have a cut that you need 1.5 inches and you measure 1.5 inches to this rail, will that be the exact cut? It will not, because the thickness of the blade. So the thickness of the blade is 3/16. So whatever your measurement is, you adjust for 3/16 of the blade.
Yes.
Son 3/16.
Important.
El grosor de la hoja.
Okay.